Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today I am going to be doing the promised video, which is the follow-up on the Louis Vuitton one handle twist. I'm going to share with you what fits inside of it, and I'm also going to do mod shots, tell you pros and cons about the bag. I have not carried it yet, but I already have some cons and some pros. Just from walking around the house and just trying some things in it. Normally I do all that in one video, but since I had not seen this color yet, I wanted to just do an unboxing. So we'll get into that in just a moment. As you know, Mother's Day is fast approaching us, and I absolutely love Mother's Day because my mom is so special to me. And I just love spoiling her, and she loves jewelry. So I want to share some of the new pieces I just got in from Luisa. My mom may actually like jewelry more than me, which, can you imagine that? So she loves their pieces. I love their pieces. They have their Mother's Day sale going on right now, which is 15% off of their website, off of everything, and I will link that down below. So let me share with you the new pieces that I just got that I am loving. I got this set of 3 necklaces that stack. Let me see if I can get close enough so you can see it. I think it looks so cute with this kind of boho little dress, and I just love that so much. And I got several rings. I love these rings. They have all kinds of rings. You don't have to get this particular kind, this style, but I love these ones that have this little opening in the back because you can kind of stretch them to fit different fingers. So as you will see, I have the onyx one here on my index finger, and I have the mother of pearl on my ring finger, and they both fit, and they're very different size fingers. And then I also have a moonstone, which is absolutely beautiful. I love that you can mix these up, put different pieces together. I usually stack all 3 of my Luisa bracelets on one wrist, but today I did the bead one on this wrist, and I did the rope one on this wrist, and it's just so much fun. They are a carbon neutral company, which I think is absolutely amazing. Carbon footprint neutral company, and their jewelry starts at $39. So you can get amazing pieces. It is very high quality. It is 14 karat gold plated over brass. I also am wearing some Luisa earrings, and these are actually the first pair of hoops are 14 karat gold. So their Mother's Day sale, I'm going to make sure I give you the correct dates. The last day to guarantee standard shipping before May 9th, which is Mother's Day, is on, I think that's Mother's Day, right? Is Wednesday, May 5th for the USA, and Monday, May 3rd for international. So now let's get into the bag. Okay, so let me give you a quick little overview of the bag, and then I am going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you what fits. I'm going to insert some mod shots. I am 5'6" for reference, and then at the end I'm going to go over the pros and the cons. So this bag is a very unique color for me. I am sick of black. I can't tell you how sick of black I am. I don't reach for my black bags at all anymore, and that's a shame because I have so many. I'm not letting them go. I'm sure I will circle back to being the queen of black, but it's a unique color for me. It's caramel or caramel, however you would like to say it. It's a really beautiful neutral. I have nothing at all like this in my collection. So the twist has the little LV lock that opens and closes like this. The one handle on the top, which I love a top handle bag, and it does have a lot of attention to detail. There is an LV on top of both of these little, I don't know what you call them, and there is also on the hook, has marked LV on the clasp for the strap, and then every single little snap on here says Louis Vuitton. I doubt that that'll pick it up, but it says Louis Vuitton all the way around it. And it is a long, non-adjustable crossbody strap, but you can make it shorter for shoulder. I mean, the strap is adjustable, but if you want it, it depends how tall you are, but you'll see it on me shoulder, so you'd have to be pretty petite to make it crossbody when you're shoulder, if you're doing it as a shoulder bag. And so let's get into this. Is Tyrolean leather, If you didn't see the unboxing, I kind of went over that. It's just like a big grained leather, and I love their Tyrolean leather. My Capucines is in the same type of leather. And then you open it up, the inside is this beautiful, beautiful blue. It's like a robin's egg blue. It's so, so, so pretty. The very back here, you have a slit compartment. Then here you have the little mirror that comes out that the twist bags come with. Big center compartment there, a front slit here, and then also a zippered compartment right here, and it also has the LV on the zipper. This one is stamped, and it does say made in Paris, and I'll try to see if I can get my camera to take a picture because I'm not going to stretch the bag. It's way down here on the pocket where the mirror comes out. I could not find a date code anywhere in this, so I'm assuming this is one of the microchip bags. This color just came out. It was not out when I went and I tried on the, is it greige? I don't know. It's like bay and gray. So I'm going to say greige. I don't know. I'm sure I'm saying it wrong, but that was the color I was trying on, and I didn't even notice if that one had stamps or any of that, but it does have stamp made in France in it. So that's kind of the overview of the bag. Let me turn the camera around and let me show you the what fits and the mud shots. Okay, so I just brought out the items that I have been carrying, and I'm getting very lazy about switching out my small leather goods. I probably need to have a big small leather goods sale. So let's just put them all into the bag. So open it up. And now you can really see, isn't that just beautiful? It's like the most pretty pale blue. Just love that. So I have an iPhone 12 Pro. I always forget what it is. It's pretty new. So there's a little slit compartment here, and that fits perfectly down in there. Then I have my mini pochette. Put that down in there. Like that. I have my Zoe wallet. It does fit my YSL wallet, but I think the Zoe is better just because it's a little bit more compact. And then my keys and a Louis Vuitton clay. So everything's going in fine so far. Of course, the allergies, gotta have the tissue. That just slides down in there. And then there's a slit in the back, and there's also one here in the front. So I have some hand sanitizer wipes, so I would just put these back in here so they're easy to get to. And I have my Hermes Bastia. Let's see if that'll go down in here. Zip that up. And here it is completely full. And I don't know that I would keep the phone in here or not, because I am a little concerned that it will stretch that pocket out. Let's see if it makes a difference whatsoever to put it like this, if it gives you a little more room. Actually, I think it does. I think by not using this pocket for something quite that thick, it gives you a little bit more space. And then, of course, I have to have my glasses to drive, and then close it, and yeah, everything fits. It's really pretty. You can see the little pop of blue on the side there. Okay, so let's go over some of the pros and the cons on this bag. The biggest con, it is heavy. When the amount of things that I just had in there, when I put it in here and try it on crossbody, it's heavy. I found it very heavy in the boutique, and I think that's kind of why I kind of held off on trying it on. I went back and tried it on another time, put the same items in it, and I didn't find it as heavy. So I don't know if I was wearing something different that day, that I didn't feel it as much on my shoulder, but it is heavy. This is a very thick leather. It's beautiful, beautiful leather, but it's very, very thick, and of course, being leather lined, it's going to add to the weight of the bag. A pro of the bag is that you can carry it 3 ways. I absolutely love bags that you can carry multiple ways. These bags are so incredibly expensive, and to just be locked into one way, it's like, I feel like you get more for your money if you can carry it 3 ways. So of course you can carry it top handle, and as you saw in the mod shots, crossbody or shoulder, which I think that is absolutely great. A pro, which is also part of the con, the leather lining. I love a leather lining. It does add a lot to the weight though. And I love the color of the leather lining. It's just so beautiful, and I think it adds something to the bag. And then the last con, there are no feet on the bottom. None of the twist line has feet on the bottom, but it would be nice when you're paying this kind of money to have feet on the bottom, I think. So I think it's a very well-made bag, and I think it's really beautiful and very versatile, and I think this color is going to go with a lot of different outfits. I mean, it looks great with this print that I'm wearing. It really looks good with black and with white, and yeah, I still need to go in my closet and kind of hold it up against different things and see what all colors look good with it, but it's a neutral, so it should just go with absolutely everything. But I hope this was helpful if you've been, considering this bag. I could not find any reviews on it with mod shots, what fits and all that stuff. All I found was unboxings, which is of course what I just did too. But I didn't want to unbox it and then start putting stuff in it. I wanted to think it over and look at it first and see what it was. So don't forget, I have that link down below for the 15% off of Ana Luisa. It's a great gift for yourself, for your mom, for a friend. They're just fabulous. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.